The way you know how wide you put your hands by your side. That's how wide you hold the bar. So go ahead and put your hands by your side, step toward the bar, grab the bar. Perfect. Take 2 large steps back right there. Shoulders are back and down. You have to bend forward. The way you know how forward you're going to bend, it's all determined by the cable. So if you bring the cable all the way down, look at this. The cable and her back are lined up. Now watch, stand up straight. Now bring the cable down. No good. Her back is straight, cable's this way. So we're not working the muscle effectively. We've got to have them both lined up. So now go ahead, bend forward, shoulders back and down. The way you know how high you come up, I want your hands to meet your shoulders. So she's going to come up right till there. Perfect. Keep your wrists nice and straight. One of the most important things, remember this, of this exercise, when you come down, you want to pop that chest out. So watch, she comes down, rolls those shoulders back. She's getting a squeeze in her back. Fixing the posture, making those upper back muscles look nice and strong. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down. The knees aren't waddling around. Her feet are perfectly straight. Her face is straight. She's looking straight. We have perfection here.